Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I'm standing next to a brand new Boston Whaler 2020 model 270 Dauntless that just showed up. This thing is totally loaded with a power windlass up front, as you can see there. Swim door that folds down to about water level for easy boarding, whether you're in the water or at the beach. Lots of seating throughout the boat, which I'll jump up and show you in a second. But first, let's go around to the back. We've got twin Mercury 225 outboards on this thing. It really gets up and goes. Trim tabs, underwater lights, and even a ladder there that folds out. Super simple, right into the hull, so you don't have to access any or take off any of your boarding area if you have to step over a ladder. But let's jump up inside and see what the rest looks like. So here we are on board the 270. You can see you've got a nice little walkway here on the starboard side, so you don't have to walk over any seats or anything to get in and out the boat. Freshwater washdown located right there as well behind the white door. Big seat here that pops up. When it's folded down, it becomes a nice casting platform, but plenty of room to seat 3 people, maybe even 4 if they're kids. Big live well next to a freshwater sink, and even a Yeti cooler that does come with the boat, and it's a designated location that straps down there right next to our big swim door that folds down. At the helm you've got flip-up bolsters for leaning posts, twin Raymarine already built in alongside the Fusion radio and Raymarine VHF as well. We've got trim tabs on this boat, as well as electronic throttle controls. On our center console here now, we've got a side door on the starboard side that leads down into the head, as well as storage for your bow table. And we've got a underside of this, of the hardtop here, that is color matched to the outside hull of the boat. It really adds to the look and appeal of this thing. Up front, we've got a huge garage that on top is a sun pad with flip-up armrests. And then our cushions around here, which would be a casting platform when removed. Also have a pop-up backrest on the rear for 2 more sun loungers, as well as a holder in the front for your table that's stowed below the center console. Our access hatch up here gets you down into your power windlass. You also have a control up here on the front, as well as back at the helm station. And let's open up this big garage here. Show you how much room is down in there. We've got designated storage for 2 buckets, as well as pass-throughs for 5 rods. They also make a scuba holder tank, so you can hold 4 scuba tanks up there if you're going to be using this for diving. All in all, a fantastic boat all around, both for fishing and for family. With this being a yacht certified boat, it doesn't have an official capacity, but you've got space for seating easily 10 to 12 people on this boat. If you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call, text, or email. My phone number and address are listed right there at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching.